I've done many BGAN M2M installations for different oil and gas companies, and most people are very surprised how easy it actually is to install and how simple it is to install. Inmarsat owns and operates a global satellite communications network for maritime, aeronautical, enterprise, and government organizations. This allows the companies and organizations to communicate where terrestrial communications is either unreliable or non-existent. So for example, in the energy sector, remotely monitoring assets such as pipelines, rod pumps, ESPs is essential for minimizing downtime, maintaining productivity. A lot of oil and gas companies use our BGAN M2M service to do this. There's a variety of terminals that access Inmarsat's BGAN M2M network. The Add Value Ranger M2M, the Hughes 9502 one-piece, and the Hughes 9502 two-piece terminal. Today we're going to demonstrate just how easy it is to install BGAN M2M on a remote monitoring application using a Hughes 9502 two-piece terminal. Other satellite solutions can be quite complicated to set up, but with the Hughes 9502 terminal, when you open up the box, you'll just find three components: a modem, 10 meters of cable with connectors, and an antenna. Well, compared to the big round dish, in which most people think of satellite communications, it's much easier to install. The modem has a 9 to 28 volt DC power input, a USB port for configuration, and an RJ45 Ethernet port for configuration as well as communications. All you need is a clear view of the sky to see the Inmarsat network. Connect power to the terminal and connect the communications port to the piece of equipment that needs to be monitored. Once power and a clear path to the sky is established, the unit will obtain a GPS fix and provide exact elevation and direction information to point the antenna via the built-in web server. The Hughes 9502 does not require a trained communication technician to install it. There's no special tools that need to be required to point it in. There's no special gear or test equipment. It does not require a specialized installer to install. People that use this service are really impressed by how easy it is to install, the fact that it draws a very small amount of power, and when used properly, a very cost-effective service. So you can see just how easy it is to install BGAN M2M. This highly reliable service can be installed by anyone without the need for technical expertise. This, combined with reliably accessing your data from any and all of your sites, makes BGAN M2M an easy choice.